up guys, welcome back to my channel. I just love saying that. It's like I went on super slack mode with my YouTube channel for like a year or something, no big deal. But anyways, I'm back and I'm here and we are back to do this. On Instagram, I asked you guys if you were interested in seeing how I've been doing this 5-minute makeup tutorial. Yes, 5 minutes. It's not with anything new. It's not with anything like super complicated. It's super easy. So that's what I'm showing you guys today because you asked for it. So here it is. I'm trying to get back into my YouTube groove because I'm kind of annoyed with Instagram lately. I don't know. It's been overwhelming. So I need to switch up what I'm doing sometimes when I'm feeling overwhelmed, and here I am. I do have makeup on, but this is makeup I've had on all day. Taking some of Axel's baby wipes. I'm just gonna wipe this off so that I can start from the beginning and show you guys how you can look somewhat presentable, you know, not like you're dead, like just embrace, just kind of amp up just a teeny bit of what you already have in literally 5 minutes. So wiping this off as we speak. So while I have you guys, just know that obviously with a tutorial, I'm sorry, not a tutorial, with a routine taking only 5 minutes, there's probably going to be some shortcuts. We're going to be cutting some corners, doing that kind of thing. So one thing that I have to kind of leave out, well, not kind of, but literally leave out, is my eyebrows. Those are just a whole process in itself. But you know, if you have decent eyebrows already and they don't look too crazy, you can probably get away with this a lot easier. If not, at least your face will look good. I mean, I don't know, I'm sorry. Get a good look at my face before, because that is about to change. I'm gonna be looking this way just a little bit, like, so I can see my face. I'm gonna go in with this Limelight foundation. This is just like a cream foundation. I'm using the M439 brush. I'm going like this. I'm not even using a primer. If you want to use a primer real quick, be my guest. I do have 2 humongous pimples on my face, but I'm literally just going to even out my skin tone really fast. I'm just pressing it into my skin. Something else that is getting skipped is concealer. I think this is like one of those foundations that's just like pure pigment, so you know, you can just like run it into your eyes, cover up your dark circles like that. So that's what I do. I go on top of my eyelids because they can be a little discolored or like red compared to the rest of my face. Get those pimples. You know, don't look for like full coverage, but trust me, it's a better than what, well, at least for me, than what I woke up looking like. So I'm gonna sloppily press that into my skin, drag it down. You can already see a huge difference. Like, this is the worst lighting in the world. So just kind of go over my skin just like that. Try not to poke yourself in the eye like I just did. If you want to go in with a pressed powder, you can. If you're like me and have oily skin, go ahead and do that. It is still a cream, so it's just nice to like set that so it doesn't move around. P.S. Found a new bronzer that I like from the drugstore. This is the Wet n Wild bronzer, What Shady Beaches. Got this from CVS. CVS is like the best place to buy drugstore makeup, just my opinion. I'm just gonna take a brush like this and quickly bronze around my face, just like that. Just give some color back, dimension back. I like to look bronzy, like I've been somewhere tropical. A little bit around my nose. Again, just around a couple times. There's no big deal. Like that. Okay. Moving on. Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in Berry Adore. I like to use this shade over here. It's like a peachy, orangey-ish coral shade. Apples in my cheeks. Okay, moving on. Now I'm going to take a highlighter brush just like this from Morphe. This is the just kidding. Pixie Glow highlighter. This is their Pixie Glow Bake Gilded Bear Glow. I just take it and just kind of do one of those and highlight all the good spots. Tip of your nose, bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, chin, cheekbones. You still want to look a little bit glowy. I mean, who doesn't? Then I like to use a clear mascara. This is actually from Great Lash. And I just like to brush my brow hairs into shape, just like that. And then same thing on the other side. Now before you guys go talking stuff, I am doing a campaign with Neutrogena. I'm trying out some products that I've actually never tried before. Yes, they are paying me to promote their products on Instagram and whatnot and Facebook, but not for YouTube. I'm just doing this because not that I wouldn't, but you guys, you really need to try out this mascara. This is the Neutrogena Hydroboost Plumping Mascara. I've never tried this before. Works really good if you're into really like lengthening your lashes. And it's cool because it has like this tip like this, so it's kind of like, see what I mean, like tapered at the end, so you can really get that inner corner. So now I'm just gonna apply mascara. So I just like to do a couple coats just like that, and go ahead and do the other side. So at this point, all you gotta do is like pop on some lip gloss or something, or not, whatever you want to do, and you are done, honey. I don't know why I picked this gloss, but I picked it. And you're done. Like 5 minutes, maybe 6. Sorry, but I'm just saying, like, look. Sorry, this lighting is horrible. This is a heavy ass camera. Super quick, super easy. You don't have to make it complicated. Just, you know, live without your brows for the day and everything will be fine. I'm gonna put this back up because clearly I'm out of shape. But this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and you can try some of this stuff out. I can try and link everything below. You guys, like, can you see this mascara? I'm just saying, the mascara is the bomb. Like, I can't remember how much it costs. I don't think it's any more than $10, but good mascara. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry about the lighting. I'm going to, you know, make the background cute and stuff when we move, because right now my house is just a hot mess. So for now, you're just gonna have to look at my shoes and my mirror in the back and me. That's what we're here for. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe. Comment below what do you want to see next. I'm going to try my best to keep this going. I can't give up and be lazy. So thanks, guys. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell so that way you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I want to name like my Splitwhit gang people that are on here. I want to have like a family name, like all the YouTubers have, like, you know, just their thing. So comment your ideas below. I want to know what you think. Bye, guys.